Hi everyone and welcome back to the Holoware Tech Podcast. I am Nazia and in this episode we will look into the world of workstation computers. We will explore what workstation computers are, why they are crucial for various professional tasks and uncover their key use cases. Plus, we will help you understand the impact and benefits of these high-performance machines. So let's get started. So, what exactly is a workstation computer? It's a high-performance machine designed for tasks that demand significant computational power. Unlike general desktops or laptops, workstations excel at 3D rendering, data analysis, simulations, and 3D modeling. They are engineered for superior performance, stability, and expandability, making them crucial for professional environments where reliability and speed are essential. Workstations deliver extraordinary processing power, vital for complex simulations and large data sets. For example, in creative industries, high-end graphics cards in workstations enable faster rendering and smoother workflows for graphic design and video editing. In data science, they handle big data processing and machine learning with ease, supporting intricate calculations and predictive models. Engineers and architects benefit from workstations' ability to run detailed CAD/CAM software and simulations, ensuring smooth performance for large-scale projects. Now, let's shift our focus to Holoware's workstations. These workstations feature powerful Intel and AMD processors, including the latest gen Intel Core i5, i7, i9 and AMD Ryzen 7000 series R5 and R9 processors. They also come with impressive graphic options like NVIDIA's RTX 4090 and A6000 and support multi-GPU customization for enhanced graphics performance in gaming and multimedia. With up to 192 GB of DDR5 memory and extensive storage, Holoware workstations handle large data sets and multiple applications seamlessly. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6, high-speed Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.2 and a variety of ports including DisplayPort, Type-C ports and PCIe slots. Holoware workstations also have advanced cooling solutions to ensure optimal performance. For audio, you get high-definition Realtek 7.1 surround sound codec. Holoware workstations also come with Protection antivirus for comprehensive protection and built-in data recovery for easy retrieval of lost files. Holoware's eco-friendly full metal body is made from recyclable materials, minimizing environmental impact. That wraps up today's episode. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Holoware's workstation solutions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at marketing@holoware.co or visit holoware.co. We are here to help you find the perfect workstation for your needs. Thanks for tuning in to the Holoware Tech Podcast. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology. And until next time, keep exploring and stay safe. This is Nazia signing off. Take care.